Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing this crazy look, or telling you how I did this crazy look. I had this style or this idea in mind. I've been seeing these, I don't even know if they have a formal name. I call it like an open cut crease because it looks like it's like a hybrid between a cut crease and then a halo. So if the halo and the cut crease had a baby, that's what I would say this would be. So I've been seeing this style on social media and wanted to try it. So really this was just a attempt at the look first, just to see how it would come out or turn out. So of course, I'll have to tweak and practice and maybe do something, different colors or something like that. But anyway, I'll tell you what I used to create this look. So this wig is just a wig I've had and got out of my stash. So I shopped my stash for the wig. And for the eyes, I'm using a couple of new things or pigments from Carla Cosmetics. She has these pretty shimmery opalescent looking pigments, so I use these two. This one is in Busy Bee, which it's a yellow, but it's got like a blue undertone or blue tinge to it, whereas this one is called Sleepyhead, I think. Yeah, this is a color they turn having a pigment, but they also have it like in a palette too. But yeah, this is like a blue, and I forgot the shifts in it. I think it has like a yellow type of shift in there, blue, green, that type of thing. I don't know if you could see it any better. I have it in the lid here. And Busy Bee, you can see that blue in there. So as a base, I started out with the Fluid line by MAC and Siahi. It's a dark teal to kind of map out where I wanted the first inner lines to go. And then I blended it with the Fluid Eye Paint by About Face. And this is in the color Blue Monday. And then I put the Sleepyhead, and I did that same thing as a kind of like a wing liner too. And then I put the Sleepyhead pigment on top of that. And then for the middle, I used another Fluid Eye Paint by About Face. And this is in the color It's Blitz. Of course, it's a yellow. And it really brings out that blue sparkle in that Busy Bee color. So these little stones I attached are by Half Magic, and I just stuck 3 of them along the lines. Tried to get them as even as possible. I don't know, they're probably a little off, but I was just, like I said, experimenting. And then for the lashes, I'm using Juvia's Place Lash, Nubian Lash, and Egypt Flare. They come in this box. It says medium volume. For the face, I primed with my NARS primer, Pore and Shine Control Primer. This is one of my top favorite products. to use to prime, and I applied the Juvia's Place 0.5 Radiance Boost, and then set it with my Charlotte Tilbury powder. And that was the rest of the face. Under eye, I used this old school BH Cosmetics. Says Studio Pro. This is a matte finish pressed powder in the number 235. I don't know if they still have these or not, but I got this a long time ago. But it's so smooth and it gets my under eye so brightened and smooth, so I like using it. And then for the lips, I am using another combination from the Scratch by Cat, her matte liquid lipsticks. So I line the lips with Teddy, and then I filled them in with Praline. And then I used a gloss from MCD, Luxury MCD. This is in Caramel Kisses. So I just applied that gloss on top. For blush, I'm using La Femme blush in Grape again. This one. And that's pretty much it. Oh, and that's a lie. I'm using the Blush Lily Glow, the Blush Liquid Blush Lighter from Juvia's Place for the highlight and slash blush a little bit, but mainly the highlight. And I think that's pretty much it. I didn't want to stay on too long, but I'll link the TikTok tutorial below this video in the description box if you'd like to see some highlights of how I got the look. And I hope this look will inspire you to create something of your own. Thanks for watching. Bye.